we all go through almost the same thing. At the end of the day, to reach your mark, you have to struggle in life. It's all circumstantial, small decisions that you have to make that actually has a big impact in life. For me, being honest in life is very important. You know, you have to be honest in life, you have to be honest to yourself.
क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि you are not honest to yourself and still you want to pursue something that you may not be good at.
Hard work that you have to put, irrespective of what your profession is. You have to be ready for the kind of talent that's really needed to achieve what you want to achieve. But at the same time, you have to take risk in life. So take risk in life, but at the same time, you have to be practical. You have to be calculated. Respecting the elders, which I feel is the key. If you don't respect the elders, be it your parents or be it anyone, it becomes very difficult to be successful in life. Being humble, when you enter, let's say, any big building, right from the first man you meet to maybe the managing director, you have to be the same to each and everyone. At the end of the day, to reach your mark, you have to struggle in life. That's what life is all about. Go through the difficult periods, fight it out. But if you can do it with a smile, that you'll become part of maybe the 5% persons, who can actually do it. Because at times we crib about life, about the tough period. But what's important is to go through the tough period that actually make you a better human being.
Everything boils down to that, to be honest to yourself, to be humble in life, to respect your parents and all the elders, give love to the juniors. So I always felt it's a small things in life that are more important than having a much bigger picture.